From and today we're going to propagate some bamboo. You know, it's been a while since I've done a video, and recently, just this last Saturday, I took a division of my Dendrocalamus validus, and it was probably close to about 30-40 feet tall, about 3-4 inches in diameter, and I decided, you know what, let's try to propagate this thing. So here we go. Okay, so like in my last video, all I really need to do is use my trusty Sawzall to chop this up. You could use a handsaw to give you a little bit cleaner cuts, but in this case I'm not really worried about it. It's kind of experimental. I've done this before with other Bambusa species. Bambusa lako is one, Bambusa dissimulator is another one that propagates and will actually root from cuttings like this. So, but Sawzall is the way to go today. I have no helper, so it's going to be a little primitive, so bear with me. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is, you see the branch node here, or the branching comes out, and cut about 1 to 2 inches below this, and then leave pretty much about the same on every cutting, and you go from there. Kind of already have it set up on this one here. You see that's about 2 inches there. Just going to move it down, make another cut. Hopefully this camera doesn't vibrate a whole lot, and go from there. Second one, and we'll show you the end result. So what you're left with is a division here, and if you got a lot of branching on it like this other one here, so if you got a lot of branching on it, what you want to do, since this thing has no roots, obviously, it's just a piece of stick now with some branching on it, and try to root it. What you're going to do is trim back, almost cut back all of this here until you're left with just one section of branch. All your rooting is going to form around this branch node. Should come out in a few months. Got some pictures on the website of other rooted cuttings I've done like this, and you pretty much plant them in potting medium. In this case here, I use a peat perlite mixture, and you can see here in this container here, I got there's about 12, actually, yeah, 12 exactly, from another section I already chopped up. So, and once you have them in the dirt, and you have everything, the branch node buried down in there, you're gonna fill them up. Don't know if you can really see this, but kind of see the water glinting in there. Keep it filled up with water, kind of like a tea glass, and what that does, it keeps the cutting moist, keeps it from drying out, because like everything else when you're doing cuttings, moisture is key to success. This medium here, kind of squeeze it, it's wet, a little bit of water, not a whole lot, you kind of hear it squishing a little bit. It's kind of what you want. You don't want it super saturated, you don't want it mud. At the same time, you don't want it to dry out. So I'm going to put these in the greenhouse, and we'll come back in hopefully about 2 or 3 months. We'll see something going on it. And what you're really looking for, obviously, you want the cutting to stay its color, this green color here. It may brown a little bit down. Don't give up on them. Some of the leaves might drop off. In this case, this was putting out a new leaf here, and this may die off. Some of these may die off. So here's a Bambusa lako I did probably about a month ago. These came similar methodology. I sold a division of it, and as you can see here, the color still have the green color on the pieces of the culm, and you actually have new growth coming out right now on these. So I wouldn't say necessarily these are rooted, but they're definitely not dead. This one here, kind of see how it browned all the way down. That one may be a goner. This one here, a little bit of discoloration, but overall, like I said, the hope on this one, these, you kind of see the difference here, but it's still green. A little bit of new leaf growth starting to come out of it, so hopefully these will be successful, and hopefully about 2 or 3 months, we got anywhere from 12 to 16 new Dendrocalamus validus. That's it. Any questions, leave a comment below, or feel free to visit the website, www www.gatorventures.com.